myself Mr. Abhishek Kumar, and today with a great sorrow I want to tell you that this is my last class in the DIIT British English. So in the last class of DIIT British English, I want to give some brief introduction about myself, my family, about this institute, about Mr. Sanjeev sir, and lastly I will conclude my speech. So, as you all familiar with me, that I am Mr. Abhishek Kumar. I am pass out graduation with a math honors in this year and engaged in the preparation of civil service examination. If you are talking about my hobbies, so my hobby is to listening music, and currently I added two things in my hobbies as well in daily routine, like yogas and meditation. If you are talking about my positive points, so my positive point is I am a self-motivated person, as well as I want to do any work smartly. I also believe in spiritualism as well as materialism. Friends, if you are talking about my family, so I belongs to a middle class family, and I belongs to also a nuclear family. There is only three members in my family: my father, my mother, and me. If you are talking about my father is a small businessman, and my mother is a private school teacher, and I am too much motivated from him. Then, if you are talking about this institute, so friends, as you all know that this institute is one of the famous, or you can say that popular institute in Muzaffarpur, because of their teaching style, because of their environment provided by our teacher Mr. Sanjeev sir to their students as well as delegates. And this institute gives me a lots of things, like it removes my hesitation and also made me capable to express my views in front of others. I remember that time when I just joined this institute, I was nothing in English. I couldn't able to express my views in front of others, and I never think that I become fluent in English. But just because of support of this institute, as well as with the help, with the guidance of Mr. Sanjeev sir, I can able to speak little bit in English. Friends, as you all know that a day will definitely, each and everyone, a day will definitely come when you should go for higher education and you should have to leave this coaching. Friends, I want to tell you that if you want to become, as you all know very well that in spite of Bihar, or you can say that when you are just wanted to go outside, what is the importance of English in other states or even other countries? I think that without English you cannot able to survive anywhere. English is a thing through which you can able to express. Because I want to tell you such things like if you will get a chance to go with another state or you can another country, then English become a lifeline. Because without English you cannot able to it. Without English you cannot able to express your views. Without English you cannot able to travel here and there. So it is very important to over command upon English. Friends, I also want to tell you that English needs sacrifice as well as English needs continuity. Because without continuity, you cannot able to become a fluent speaker. So I want to tell you that if you want to over command upon English, then you should have to have make continuity in the class and follow the guidelines which is given by Mr. Sanjeev sir. Friends, I also want to tell something about Mr. Sanjeev sir. That Sanjeev sir is one of the teacher I have never seen before in till life. Because I have just passed out from school, I just passed out from college, but such types of teacher I have never seen. Because their guidance to their teacher, students, because their support to their students each and every time, I have never seen such types of thing in any teachers. So I salute our Mr. Sanjeev sir for their dedication towards their students. So lastly, I want to tell you that this institute and the students of this institute and the friendship of this institute become memorable for me, remarkable for me, and rememberable for me. Thank you. Never.
Good evening to all of you. As you all know that today is the last class of Abhishek Bhaiya, and today I'm going to say about something about him. So he is a kind-hearted person and he is so talented person, and I think he is a best senior because he always taught us how to just come out from hesitation, and he also taught a lots of things. And I have learned from him one thing, that in a little time he just got a best performer award, and he showed us how to learn anything quickly, and he also speaks very well, and he has been best student of this class also, and he respects each one, even though if either someone is junior or senior, he always respects everyone, and he always shows us how to just how to be motivated towards their goal. He whenever we just did our debate, and I mostly asked to him that why didn't you want to become anything but any other thing. He always said no. After doing my civil service, I don't want to become anything. I only just want to become a IAS officer, and he is so motivated, and he is uh, so good towards his goals, and he also focuses on his goals, and he always tries to do his best. So lastly, I would like to say that he has been a good student. Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone, and I'm now going to the point that today is the last class of our one of the batchmate, Mr. Abhishek Bhaiya, and he is our batchmate since 1 or 2 years, especially of mine. If I told him, he is a very kind and he is also very rigid type of person, and he is a kind of person who respects everyone. If he is younger than him or if he is elder than him, he respects everyone. He do not discriminate any person by their English speaking. He is the one of the no, not one of the he is the best speaker of our batch, I think so. He also won many titles in our batch, like Super Performer Award was his biggest achievement about in this tuition. And he is also a type of person who always try to participate in each and everything. He participated in every debate. He participated in every question session. He participated in every speech competition. So it shows that how rigid and how a good type of person he is. So lastly, I would like to say that best of luck for your upcoming journey of study. And thank you.
As we all know that today is the last class of our one of the best senior, Mr. Abhishek Bhaiya. So we all want to say something about Abhishek Bhaiya. So I want to say he is a very good person. He is a very kind and humble person, because if he is participating in anything like debate or any competition or any speech, he just he just spoke well, and he point all the things, all the points in a very well manner, and he just manage all the classes, all the he just also he also he also he also do many he also take many classes as a teacher, in the absence of he just taught us lots of things. He taught us how we have to speak in front of a podium, how we can remove our hesitation, how we get confidence, and he taught us lots of things in a well manner. He respect all the person, all the seniors and juniors students in the class. He just give his opinion about all the things, all the points, and he speaks well. In very short of time, he got super performance award also. His speaking is very marvelous because he just push himself in in what direction. So he just he is speaking well. Now he apart. He want to apart from our family, as we all are just like a family. So he just want to go for his higher study. So we all want to pray for you because if you want to success in your life, we all want to pray, and we all will pray for you in a way in every day. And we just I hope we all want to give you give you the result that you will achieve your goal, and you will be successful.